Hi, welcome back to Medway Model Railway. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, the last couple of weeks we've been busy going back to basics and starting this new layout, starting from the front and working our way around. The last previous video I done was showing you we've got some polystyrene and made some raised banks, and they've come up quite a treat now. So what my wife's been doing this week, she's actually weathered these first one. So she's painted these all up now. So we're waiting for these to dry, because then we can start working on the rest of them, start putting a bit of greenery. But like I say, all this polystyrene now, it's all blended in quite well and it's come up quite a treat. So I'm quite proud with it. As you say, it's the first time I've actually done a rail on the top, and it does look quite impressive. So as we come around here, these are all going to be worked on, and even the arch is quite nice. If you look right down here now, I've got a vehicle coming from the other side. I don't know if you can see it. But what it is it goes right into the actual yard, and that's quite impressive. So I've still got to weather that inside and put a light in there so you can see it future things. Got my underground train over the top. This will be shown in future videos when we start working down the other end. But like I say, it's something to look forward to, so you thought we'd show that now. Guarding the river and the canal, that's come up with quite a treat now. I put the first coat down, that's taken off, and I painted it. And on the two sides, left and right side, I've raised up with a bit of gravel there, so it makes like the river's quite deep. I'm still waiting for some cones and some shopping trolleys to put in on either side where people get to throw things in the river. And once they come in, I can start putting a bit more magic water in there. So that's something to look forward to, a future reference. Like I say, it's come up quite a treat. These are only done to like today, so I'm waiting for these to go off and dry so we can start working on these again. But I've got the track up there now, you can see what it is. And they've got a vehicle, a building up there at the moment. I've put my Strood maintenance depot up there. This is, I don't know if it's going to stay there, but it gives you some idea what room we've got. But like I say, it's starting to come together. Very pleased with it, and there's more to come. So I hope you like this journey we're on, and wait for my future updates. This is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe.